As Coupang presented, there's some astounding numbers that came out of Singapore, doubling tourism receipts in 4 years, right, from 2006 to 2010, and a dramatic increase in visitors, much of which has been spawned by intra-Asian travel. That's just an incredible accomplishment, and it's an indication of what's happening in a region that's grown, as you all know, at the fastest rate of any other region in the world in terms of our industry. For the last 14 years, our company, Quest Expedia, has hosted an event here in Berlin, immediately preceding ITB, called the International Hotel Investment Forum. And what we do is we bring financiers, investors, bankers, and hotel owners and investors together to create more hotel rooms, more hotel development projects, more infrastructure. And that's been a very successful formula for 14 years here in Berlin that we now hope to replicate by joining TravelRave in Singapore. Immediately preceding ITB Berlin, we'll be hosting the first of a new series in our IHIF Summit Series, International Hotel and Tourism Investment Asia Pacific. So we look forward to seeing everyone out there. We're positioning this event to help bring owners, investors, and developers together, along with the industry participants who are involved in financing and developing some of the amazing tourism projects, some of which we saw in the presentation, and also attractions, integrated resorts, all of the massive amounts of capital investment and development that are going to be required to meet the growing demands of travel, hospitality, and tourism in Asia. We hope to be able to talk about and facilitate the development of at this exciting new event that's coming to Singapore. We hope to see you all there.